Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how I make my moist banana nut bread. You're going to love this recipe. I have been making this banana nut bread with the same recipe for 20 years and I have never changed it. To start, you want to make sure all your ingredients are at room temperature. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees. Make sure you grease and flour your loaf pans and you chop up your walnuts. That's the start. Then you want to get you a bowl and mash up your bananas. Make sure that it's like applesauce texture. Then you want to add your lemon juice and you want to stir that around really good. And the lemon juice is going to keep your bananas from browning too fast. And once you stir your lemon juice in there real good, you're just going to set that aside. Then you're going to add your dry ingredients. Your dry ingredients, you're going to add your flour, your baking soda, your baking powder, your salt, and your cinnamon. And then you're going to mix that around real good until you're not seeing any traces of cinnamon left. And you're going to set that aside as well. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to get a bowl and a hand mixer, or if you have a stand mixer like me, you're going to grab that. You're going to take your stick of butter and put it in your mixer. Make sure that your butter is softened, room temperature. Then you're going to add your brown sugar and your white sugar to the butter. And you're just going to mix that until it's smooth and creamy. Next, you're going to add your beaten egg. And you're just going to allow that to mix until it's just incorporated. Make sure you scrape down your sides of your bowl. Next, you're going to fold in your bananas. Folding in the bananas just means to add your bananas gently, mixing it around until your ingredients are just mixed, but you don't want to over mix it. After you've folded in your bananas, you're going to add your vanilla extract and your buttermilk. At this point, you can actually use a hand mixer, a blender, stand mixer if you want to, but I just used a spatula, rubber spatula, or you can use a spoon just to mix it around, making sure everything is mixed in there really well. After you've mixed everything really well, you want to add your dry ingredients. Add your dry ingredients into your wet mixture. You want to stir this in gently just until the flour is incorporated and you don't see any more traces of flour in your wet mixture. Then you want to add your walnuts as well. You can add it at the same time you add the flour if you want to, or you can mix it first and then add the walnuts. It doesn't matter. After you've mixed everything really good and no traces of flour is left, you're going to add the mixture to your prepared loaf pan. Make sure you pop it around and get all the lumps out. Make sure it's smooth, and then put it in your preheated oven. for about an hour. And once you at the hour mark, just check it with a toothpick, and if the toothpick come out clean, it's ready. Once you take it out, butter it, let it cool for 5 minutes, transfer it to a plate, slice into it, and there you have it. Delicious, moist banana nut bread.